January marks Stalking Awareness Month. Stalking we're talking about, that we've all seen. Many of you have lived it yourself.
Yeah, and while stalking is no doubt scary to the person who's being victimized, it can be hard to identify in a court of law.
Kate Nemrich spoke to professionals about what you can do if you feel like you are being stalked.
If you've told someone, I don't want to talk to you anymore, I don't want you to contact me, and they continue to try and contact you or come around you, then it begins to, get into that gray area of stalking.
According to Abuse Alternatives, only 37% of men and 41% of women stalking victims report the crime. Stalking can be hard to define and even harder to prosecute, but advocates say if you think you are being stalked, you should take action.
If you feel like somebody is following you or being inappropriate towards you, to absolutely let us know. One of the first steps is to notify us so we can take a report and start an investigation into it.
Advocates and police say documentation is key to getting a protective order.
Keep a journal of all incidents of where their stalker appears. If they have their phone available, take pictures if at all possible, but send those pictures to a friend to keep for them, or print them out.
Because stalking is hard to define, the court process can be complicated.
With legal aid, we can help with an order of protection. Legal aid does help with court representation, getting an attorney to help you kind of explain the process of order protection and what's going to happen, what to expect.
We have support groups. We have advocates that they could meet with one-on-one, just to speak with, to talk to them about what's going on.
Whether or not you get a protective order, there are safety measures you can take.
If they go a certain way, they're at a certain place every time, every day, they can vary that routine a little bit. They can let their friends and family know where they are. They can always be available by phone just in case.
They can't get a new phone, try to get their phone number changed. Social media is one of the biggest ways that someone's stalked. So, they may want to be cautious about what they put on social media about their whereabouts.
Mix also says you can get your phone and electronics checked for tracking or spyware. And don't wait to ask loved ones or professionals for help.
Letting your friends and family know what's going on, not keeping it a secret, even though it can be uncomfortable.
Don't call just when you need shelter, or you don't call just when a physical incident. If you just aren't sure, give us a call and just speak to one of the advocates.
In Johnson City, Kate Nemrich, News Channel 11.